Welcome to our channel. Linking your Peacock account to your smart TV lets you enjoy streaming content on the big screen. Follow these simple steps to connect your account. Step 1. Turn on your smart TV and navigate to the App Store specific to your TV's operating system. Step 2. Search for the Peacock app in the App Store. Download and install it on your smart TV. Step 3. Open the Peacock app once installation is complete. You'll see a welcome screen or sign-in options. Step 4. Select the sign-in option. The app will display an activation code on your TV screen. Step 5. Using your smartphone or computer, visit peacocktv.com/tv and enter the activation code shown on your TV. Step 6. Log into your Peacock account on the website using your email and password. Step 7. After logging in and entering the code, your smart TV will automatically refresh and sign you in. Step 8. Browse and start watching your favorite shows and movies on Peacock through your smart TV. You can now navigate using your TV remote. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.